Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this vanilla cola, Zevia. This was at Costco, so I've never really tried it, so as you can see it's vegan, and I usually just get bubbly, but there's basically carbonated water, natural flavors, stevia extract. Oh, it does have a little bit of caffeine in there. Oh, interesting. So be aware of that. But let's try this out. That's actually pretty good. It tastes like it tastes like cola, but it also tastes like a like a cream cola. That's the best way I can describe it. It tastes like a cream cola. It's actually not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.